Okay. Takeoff briefing. I want you to imagine, okay? Don't return, no, don't memorize. I want you to imagine you come to the airport. When you come to airport, you go to dispatch. In dispatch, what do? You check flight plan, you check weather, okay? CFP, computerized flight plan, weather,
Weight
temps.
and balance and all.
Saara. Weight and balance comes in the aeroplane. So you check it's a computerized flight plan, you check NOTAM, you check weather. Then you come to the aeroplane. When you come to the aeroplane, you do the walk around. And you check the logbook, no open items, MEL, all this. Right? Thinking this way, if I am doing takeoff briefing, I will say this will be a standard right hand seat takeoff, standard calls, standard procedures. Okay? NOTAM check, weather check. Walk around complete, no open items in the MEL. Okay? We are parked at gate Alpha 19, and from this gate we will request pushback. Runway in use for departure is in Dubai 30 left. We will taxi from our gate via Papa 2 to November 6 and to Mike 19 to runway 30 left. Runway 30 left is 14,590 feet long. It is good enough for our takeoff performance with takeoff flap 5, and runway condition is dry. In case we have to make a 180, runway is wide enough for us to make 180. Weather is clear. If there is a significant weather, you will cover the weather. If there is terrain, significant terrain, mountain, hill, antenna, you will cover there is terrain. Okay? If there is any dangerous good items on board, you will cover the location of the dangerous good items. In case of spill, the action plan for that. Okay? So this is how you will cover, how you will taxi. So you take out and then you go over the SID, which will be, okay, we will be take off, the SID says this, initially our clearance is 10,000, runway heading, and this, or you are flying the SID, and SID is Metada, and you compare the SID with your FMS, and after you finish that, then you put the FMS back to your, for pilot flying, for takeoff page. Okay, so you cover aircraft configuration, flap 5 will be used, runway condition, runway dry, runway wet, runway contaminated or not. Okay. Now, once all that is finished, now come the situation for emergency briefing. Extremely important. Emergency briefing, from the start of roll up to 80 knots, takeoff will be rejected for any malfunction. Between 80 knots to V1, takeoff will be rejected for only catastrophic items like engine fire, engine failure, loss of direction control, smoke in the cockpit, predictive wind shear, or any condition or situation making aeroplane unflyable will reject takeoff. Any abnormality at or after takeoff, V1, takeoff will be continued, and no action other than silencing the audio warning will be taken until aircraft stable and passing at least 400 feet AGL. Then I will call for curate procedure or memory items accordingly. We will come back to Dubai or we go to a suitable airport. Any questions?
No, sir.
It's always positive. Any questions? No questions.
No question.
Can you do that?
Yes.
It should not be very long. Okay, if other person fall asleep, no unnecessary items, only need to know items. If there is not significant weather, you don't have to mention weather. There is no train, you don't say there is no weather or there is no train. Just don't say it. If there is, then you say. So, I never memorize, I just do it from what I know, from knowledge. This will be a standard right hand seat takeoff, standard calls, standard procedures. Weather check, NOTAM check, walk around complete, no open item in the MEL. We are at gate Bravo 1. From gate Bravo 1, we'll request pushback via taxiway Papa. November will end up in taxiway runway 30 left. which is departing runway at this time. And runway is 14,590 feet long, which is good enough for our performance with flaps 5. Runway condition is dry. If in case we have to make 180, runway is wide enough to make 180. With our SID checking on that page, SID is confirmed and no questions on that. Okay. So aircraft condition is set, weather, no significant weather, no time we don't have mentioned because nothing. We don't have days good, I did not mention that. So no threat briefings today. Threat briefings are this. Threat briefing includes significant weather, significant terrain, dangerous good items, okay, and new first officer, junior first officer, inexperienced first officer, busy airport. Okay, this is called threat briefing. Now emergency briefing. You imagine yourself you're on the runway now. You give power. So for emergency briefing, from the start of roll up to 80 knots, takeoff will be rejected for any malfunction. Between 80 knots to V1, takeoff will be rejected for only catastrophic items like engine fire, engine failure, loss of direction control, smoke in the cockpit, predictive windshield, or any condition or situation making aeroplane unflyable. We will reject takeoff. Any abnormality at or after V1, takeoff will be continued and no action other than silencing the RDO warning will be taken until aircraft is stable and passing at least 400 feet AGL. Then I will call for recall items or QRH accordingly. We will come back to Dubai or go to a suitable. Any questions?
No.
Suggestions? No.